Google NotebookLM SEO is a game changer. Here's the deal. There's a free Google tool right now that almost nobody knows about, and I'm going to show you exactly how to turn it into a ranking machine for your website. I'm talking about NotebookLM. Now, I use this exact system with real clients, and one site went from 0 to almost 200 clicks a day. Another hit 70 daily clicks in weeks. No paid tools, no big team. Just this one free tool and a simple 5-step framework. Here's the thing nobody tells you. They think it takes months. They think you need a huge agency team to make it work. That's why they never start. And that's exactly why I'm showing you this today, that Google just gave you a free AI tool that can replace most of what those expensive platforms do. But most people don't even know it exists. It changes today. Google's NotebookLM is basically an AI workspace. Here's how it works. You throw a blog post into it, a document, website URL, anything really. Then the AI reads it, scans it, and helps you expand it into multiple different formats. Video scripts, infographics, audio, podcast episodes, new blog posts, FAQs, whatever you need from one piece of content. That's the magic. And when you understand how search engines actually work, which rewards depth, uniqueness, and helping people from every angle, suddenly this tool becomes a ranking machine. Because you can take one topic and create 5 different types of content, all optimized for search, all pointing back to your site. More entry points, more rankings, more clicks. Here's the SEO truth that most people miss. Google doesn't just want one article about a topic. Google wants to see depth. Google wants to see that you've explored every angle, every question, every version of what people are searching for. When you create multiple formats, video, images, audio, long-form content, you're basically saying to Google, hey, I really understand this topic. I'm covering it from every perspective. And Google rewards that with more visibility. Plus, AI search tools like ChatGPT and Claude are now crawling the web looking for the best sources. Deeper, the more unique, the better. So when you use NotebookLM to create richer content, you're winning on both fronts. Traditional Google search and AI-powered search. Breaking down 5 exact steps you can use starting today. 1. Find content gaps in your current blog and fix them. 2. Turn that content into videos that actually rank. 3. Create unique infographics for image search. 4. Make podcast episodes and audio content. 5. Create multiple unique posts from one topic so you cover the whole search cluster. And then I'm showing you the secret sauce, how to link them all together so they amplify each other. Before we jump into the steps, I want to tell you about something that's changed my entire approach to content marketing and automation. It's called the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside, we show you exactly how to use tools like NotebookLM, plus 100 plus other AI tools to grow your actual business, to save time, to automate boring stuff, and to create more content, more leads. This is how we used NotebookLM to help the AI Profit Boardroom create a full suite of content marketing assets in 1 week instead of 2 months. If you want to see the exact system, the SOPs, and the prompts we use, click the link in the description. Now let's get into the 5 steps. Okay, so step 1 is the foundation. You pick one blog post on your site that already ranks okay, but could rank better. You open NotebookLM and drop that URL or content into it. Then you give it this prompt. Analyze this page. Tell me what's missing. What questions should I be answering? What keywords am I not targeting? What headings would help me rank better? NotebookLM will spit out a list of gaps, missing FAQs, related keywords, topics that competitors are covering that you're not. And here's where the magic happens. You take that list and you update your blog post. Add new sections, improve the headings, answer the questions that people are actually typing into Google. Now your content is deeper, more helpful, more complete. Google sees that and rewards it. Did this with the AI Profit Boardroom's landing page optimization. We took one existing page, ran it through NotebookLM, found we were missing 5 major sections about the benefits of AI automation community, added them in, and traffic went up 40% in 3 weeks. That's the power of step 1. Now here's where you scale it. You can use NotebookLM to actually generate brand new blog posts optimized for specific keywords. Let's say you want to rank for AI automation for service businesses. You create a notebook. You add your core research or an outline. Then you prompt it. Create a 1,200-word blog post optimized for ranking on AI automation for service businesses. Include an SEO title, meta description, and at least 4 helpful examples. NotebookLM builds you a complete draft. Now here's the key. You don't just copy-paste it. You read it. You add your own experience, your own stories, your own unique angle. Because AI-generated content that's just generic won't rank. But AI-generated content that you personalize with real examples and real insights, that absolutely crushes it. This is where it gets fun. Same notebook, same content. Now you're turning it into a video script. NotebookLM can generate a video overview, complete with scene descriptions, talking points, even suggested pacing. You can make 2 versions, a short 60-second snackable clip and a longer 5-minute deep dive. And here's the thing most people don't realize video content ranks in Google search. YouTube thumbnails show up in search results. Video transcripts help with SEO. And embedded videos keep people on your page longer, which signals to Google that your content is good. So now you've got your blog post and your video, and they're both ranking. Double the clicks. Okay, step 4. Content new format. NotebookLM can generate infographic briefs. You take that brief and create a visual or use a designer. Then you optimize it for image search, descriptive file name, good alt text. Host it on your own domain. Now you're ranking in Google Images too. And here's the bonus. Good infographics get shared. People link to them. It's free backlinks pointing to your site. We did this for the AI Profit Boardroom with an infographic about 10 ways AI automation saves time for service businesses. In the first month, it got linked from 3 industry blogs and shared 200 plus times on social. More visibility, more authority, better rankings. Step 5 is the multiplier. NotebookLM can generate audio. It can create podcast scripts. It can produce full podcast episodes with intro, outro, and everything in between. You embed that audio on your blog. You upload the podcast to Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Now your content is discoverable in audio search on podcast platforms, audio feeds. And when someone finds your podcast, listens to the full episode, which is 10 plus minutes, and then visits your blog, Google knows that person is engaged, deeply engaged with your content. That's a signal. And Google rewards signals. Here's where it all comes together. You've got an optimized blog post, a video, an infographic, an audio episode, maybe even a second unique blog post targeting a related keyword. Now you link them all together. The blog post links to the video. Video description links back to the blog. The infographic links to the blog. The audio embeds in the blog. You're creating this network of assets all surrounding one core topic. And when Google crawls all of that, it sees, okay, this person or business is the authority on this topic. They've covered it from every angle, every format, every perspective. Guess who gets the top ranking? You do. Right, here's your action plan. Start today. Step 1, pick your target keyword or topic. Step 2, create a notebook in NotebookLM. Feed it your existing content or research. Run the 5 outputs. Use these prompts. Analyze this content and list content gaps, missing FAQs, and keywords I should target. Create an SEO-optimized 1,200-word blog post for keyword. Generate a 90-second video script with scene descriptions. Create an infographic brief summarizing the top 7 points. Produce an audio script about 5 to 7 minutes explaining topic. Step 4, personalize everything. Add your stories, your examples, your experience. Step 5, optimize. Good titles, good meta descriptions, good alt text, good internal links. Step 6, monitor. Check your rankings in 2 weeks. Check your traffic in a month. Tweak what isn't working. Double down on what is. Now you might have some questions. Is this cheating? No. Google rewards helpful, deep content. You're providing that. You're just using AI to speed up the process. Will my content get penalized for being AI generated? Not if it's unique and personalized. Google's whole stance is, if it's helpful to humans, it's fine. They don't care how you created the draft. They care if it's good. Do I need to edit everything? Yes, you should. You're adding your unique angle, your stories, your expertise. That's what makes it good. Can I use this for my own business? Absolutely. We're using this exact system right now at the AI Profit Boardroom to generate content for service businesses looking to automate with AI. You can do the exact same thing with your niche, your business, your audience. Look, this system works. I've seen it work at the AI Profit Boardroom. I've seen it work with our agency clients, and you can make it work too. If you want the full breakdown, all the prompts, all the systems, all the SOPs we use, join the AI Success Lab. It's free. You get access to 100 plus AI use cases just like this one. You get all the video notes. You get a community of 67,000 people crushing it with AI. Links in the description. And if you want personalized help setting this up for your business, we offer that too. But start with the free stuff. Try one topic, create one notebook, make 5 assets, measure the results. You'll be shocked at how fast it works. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this, comment below with which step you're most excited to try. And subscribe so you don't miss the next AI update. See you next time.